Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Sri Mahavir International School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home and also enjoying the online classes of our school. So students, today I am back with my new video. I am going to teach you adverb. As you all know that adverb is also one of the part of the parts of speech. So let's begin the video. What is adverb? Before learning the adverb, let's we do the quick revision of verb. What is verb, beta? All action words are called verb. Whatever the action we done, all are called verb. Action like eat, sleep, bath, cook, play, write, read. All these words are included as an action word and these action words are called verb. Now we will learn about what is adverb. We know that an adverb is a word that qualifies or modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It means adverb ऐसे words हैं जो verb, adjective और another adverb को qualify and modify करता है. It means change करते हैं उनके meaning को. Let's see how. He ran fast. As you can see, the first sentence here, he ran fast. So beta, run is verb here and the word adverb modify here with fast to the रन. ओके, यहाँ पे ही रन फास्ट वर्ब है रन और रन को मॉडिफाई किया है फास्ट वर्ड से. तो यहाँ पे वर्ब मॉडिफाई किया है विद द वर्ड ऑफ फास्ट. सो ही रन फास्ट. नेक्स्ट, द एप्पल वॉज वेरी स्वीट. द एप्पल वॉज वेरी स्वीट. सो यू कैन सी स्वीट इज हेयर एडजेक्टिव. ओके, स्वीट यूज हेयर फॉर द वर्ड noun here apple and this apple is very sweet. So very sweet word is including here. It's modify the adjective sweet. Now the next, he walked rather slowly. Here slowly is adverb itself and it modify with the word rather. So this is a exact definition of adverb, that an adverb is a word that qualifies or modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Let's we learn more about the kinds of adverb. Adverb of manner. The first kind of adverb is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tell us how an action take place. Whatever the action we will do or we done, how we done it and how we will do it. Okay, so it is included as an adverb of manner. So adverb of manner tells us how an action take place. For example, he laughed loudly. So action taken place here, laughed, and how he laughed very loudly. Okay, so this is adverb of manner. Now come to the next, adverb of place. Adverb of place tell us where an action take place. कोई action कहाँ हुआ, where an action take place. Okay, so here we are talking about that where the action taken the place. So I lived here. Lived is a verb and where I lived here. So here word use as a adverb of place. Come to the next, adverb of time. Adverb of time tell us when an action take place. So whatever the action we will do or be done, when it will be done. It means वो action कब किया. We will here define the time of verb. So whenever we define time of verb, it include as a adverb of time. Let's see the example. I have done this before. I have done this before. So here we write the time of doing some work and it is before. Before मतलब पहले किया मैंने का. Adverb of frequency. Next type of adverb is here adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tell us how often an action occur. How often an action occur. For example, I fell down twice. It means the action हमने कितनी बार किया, किसी भी एक्शन को हमने कितनी बार किया. So here I fell down twice. मैं 2 बार गिर गई. Okay. Now come to the next type of adverb here. Adverb of degree. Adverb of degree tell us that the degree or extent of an action or a quality. Adverb of degree express here the degree or extent of our action and quality. That कोई काम हमने किस तरह से किया, उसकी क्या डिग्री थी, ओके, क्या एक्सटेंट था, क्या वे था करने का. ओके, I was very sick. So here the example of adverb of degree is I was very sick. Next type of adverb here, adverb of reason. Adverb of reason. Adverb of reason state a reason. They answer the question why. Whenever we will do any work or done, we have any reason, and adverb of reason express why we do this. Let's see the example. He received a call from his father, therefore he left. So here the reason that he received a call from his father, therefore he left. Come to the next. Adverbs that are used to asking question are called interrogative adverb. Again I am repeating the line. Adverbs that are asked in question are called interrogative adverb. Let's see how. Where is Maria? Interrogative adverb of place. So here with the word of WH, we asking a question, where is Maria, and we are talking about the place. Next, when did the train leave? Here we are talking about adverb of time with the help of WH word. Next example, why did you cry? Here the adverb of reason, and we use it with the word of WH. So WH word used for asking a question, and in a manner of adverb, it's called interrogative adverb. Next here, how did you manage this? Here the interrogative adverb of manner. So beta, these all are the types of adverb. Let's we do again a quick revision of it. What is adverb? Adverb is a word that qualifies or modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Okay. How? Run fast. Here we are talking about the verb run. Next, sweet apple. Here we are talking about adjective, very sweet apple. And the last, he walked rather slowly. Here adverb used according to slowly. Okay. So we are just modify here the word slowly with the word rather. So this is a simple way to understand the definition that adverb are the word which qualifies or modify the verb, an adjective or another adverb. Now types of adverb or kinds of adverb. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, adverb of reason and interrogative adverb. Now come to the next part of adverb, that is formation of adverb. How we formate the adverbs. Let's see how. Adverbs are form adjectives in the following way. We just change some words of adjective to form the adverb. Let's see how. Most adjectives add ly to form adverb. Most adjectives add ly to form adverb. Adjective के कुछ words के लास्ट में ly को use करके हम उसे adjective से adverb में convert कर देते हैं. Let's see how. Loud. Loud is adjective, but we use ly, so it format into a loudly, and loudly is a adverb. Quick, quickly. This is the first way that we format or a formation of adverbs. Next, when an adjective ends in y. When an adjective ends in y, preceded by a consonant, the y is changed to I and ly is added. बेटा बहुत ध्यान से समझना, जब भी एडजेक्टिव के एंड में वाई होता है, ओके, और वाई के जस्ट पहले कोई भी कॉन्सोनेंट है, तो हम वाई को रिप्लेस करेंगे विद द वर्ड ऑफ आई, एंड एट द एंड हम लोग वहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे एल वाई. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. HAPPY, HAPPY, Y at the end, and before the Y we find consonant. So what we do? We just remove the Y and write there I and use ly. So happy adjective, convert happily as a adverb. Angry, angrily. Next way to formation of adverb here. When the adjective ends in E, the E is dropped and ly is added. So what we do? If any adjective ends by E, किसी भी adjective के last में E आता है, तो हम E को drop remove कर देंगे वहाँ से, and we just added there ly. Let's see how. TRUE, true. TRUE, true. So E we dropped out, and what we write? TRUELY, truly. It means in this way we convert true as an adverb, truly. I hope beta you understand the three way of formation of adverb. Now come to the next. Here in this green box, what we learn? Not all words ending in ly are adverb. Adjectives can also end in ly. For an example, friendly, lively, lonely, cowardly. सारे जो ly वर्ड्स होते हैं ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो एडवर्ब ही हो, उनमें से कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स भी होते हैं जो एडजेक्टिव्स भी होते हैं. Here you can see some example. What are they? Friendly, lively, lonely and cowardly. Some words can be used as adverb as well as adjective. कुछ ऐसे words होते हैं जो adverb और adjective दोनों के लिए use होते हैं. Let's see what are they. She is an early riser. She is an early riser. So here we are talking about adjective as a early. Next, she started for the airport early. So here we are talking about early as a adverb. So we are doing converted here verb or modifying the verb. Next, this is a very hard nut. This is a very hard nut. Hard nut used here as an adjective. Then next, he works hard every day. So you can see hard and hard both here. But here hard word is used an adjective because it stands before the noun. And here we are talking about any verb. So work is verb here. He works hard every day. So here we convert the verb or modify the verb with the word hard, and hard used here as a adverb. Come to the next. This is a straight road. So road is noun and before the noun we use adjective. Let's see here. Go straight down that road. So here we are talking about any verb that goes straight down that road. So beta, whenever some words are used before the noun and they are also including you and recognizing you as a adverb, don't getting confused. If the word used before the noun, is it clear that these are adjectives? And whenever the words are modifying the verb, is called an adverb. I hope beta you understand this topic. Solve the questions or the practice exercise given in your book. If you have any query, write in the comment box and send it to me. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.